All right, and finally, we're going to be answering adding integer questions, but we're going to be using a number line. And we're going to keep a lot of the same concepts we used in previous lessons, and they're going to really help us out while we're using the number line. So my number line I have here goes from -12 to +12. And what we have to remember from previous lessons is that a positive integer is hot, or adding heat, and a negative integer is cold. And so a lot of times we see a number line like this in real life related to hot and cold. So if I turn my number line vertically, right, in the real world we might see a number line like this on a thermometer, right? And we use our thermometers to tell the temperature, and so that's directly related to hot and cold, or temperature. So I can answer adding integer questions really easily using a number line like this. So I could start off with -4. Okay, and I'm going to add in 5 positives. So I'm going to have -4, so I'm going to use my number line. I'm going to put a little tick on -4. And I'm adding in 5 positives. And another way you can think about it is adding in 5 heats. So what is going to happen to our temperature if we're adding in 5 heats? So we can think about -4. If I'm adding in 5 heats, is the temperature going to get warmer, or is our temperature going to get cooler? And so if I'm adding in heats, I know that the temperature is going to get warmer. So I can use my number line, and so it's going to get warmer by 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I stopped on +1, so I know my temperature is going to be +1. And so we can try another one quickly. Okay, so I still have my number line. I can think of a number, so I could have +4, and I can add in 6 negatives, or 6 colds. So we talked in a previous lesson about a bowl of soup. So you think if we have a bowl of soup and our temperature is +4. Okay, and I have my bowl of soup and I'm adding in 6 colds. So what is going to happen to the temperature of our bowl of soup if we're adding in 6 colds? So if we're adding in colds, our temperature is going to get cooler. And so I can use my number line to help me answer this question. So I can start on 4, and I know it's going to get cooler by 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I can see that 4 plus -6 is equal to -2. And so thinking about hot and colds and using a number line vertically like a thermometer can really help us answer adding integer questions.